Welcome to Lesson 23. These are your words to know. Before you begin reading our anchor text this week, Whistle for Willie, we need to make sure that you understand the meaning of these words because that will help you to understand what your story is about. So I'm going to go through your vocabulary and context cards with you. We're going to read the blue word together and then the sentence under the blue word. Then I'm going to tell you what the highlighted word means, and then I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. I'm going to ask how do you use it, and I'm going to ask you to talk it over. During those portions, I need you to pause the video and have a discussion with your learning adult at home about those two things, and then just come back to the video when your conversation is done, and that way you can continue through all 8 of your words this week. So let's do the first one. Read the blue word and the sentence with me. House. They learned how to build a house for birds. A house is a place to live. Laurel's house is near the lake. What do you like most about your house and why? Think about the names of different animals' houses. You can copy the words or just have a discussion about the animals and the houses on the bottom of this page. And you're going to match each animal with its house and talk about why you chose that house for that animal. Read with me. Along. He rode carefully along the bike path. Along means to follow in a line with. We went for a run along the beach. What kind of shoes do you need for a walk along a snowy path? Think about how a walk along a country road would be different from a walk along a city street. How would it be the same? So you're thinking how it's going to be different and how it's going to be the same. Talk it over with your learning adult. Read with me. Together. The baby can clap her hands together now. Together means with each other. Let's eat together. What are some things that are more fun to do together than alone? Read the words below and work with your learning adult to decide which ones go together. Boy. The boy teaches his sister to read. A boy is a young male person. My brother is a boy. Was your father once a boy? Work with your learning adult and decide which of these words go with the word boy. You can trace a line with your finger for the words from those words that go with the word boy to the word boy. Father. My father teaches me how to swim. A father is a male parent. My father is a policeman. Where do you like to go with your father or mother? Father is a word for a person in a family that is a man. Work with your learning adult and think of other family words that describe men or boys. Again. We went out on the ice again to practice. Again means once more. Please give me your phone number again. How is doing something again different from doing something new? Work with your learning adult and take turns reading the sentences below. Fill in the blank to make each sentence true for you. Nothing. At first nothing fit, but he finished the puzzle. Nothing means not anything. There is nothing in my pocket. Is a day with nothing to do boring or fun, and why? Think about amounts of money. Point to each math sentence that will have nothing left. Here's our last word. Read with me. Began. She began to take violin lessons. Began means to have started. The boys and girls began to clap. What is something that you began but didn't finish? With your learning adult, take turns reading the sentences. Put the word begin in the sentence where it makes sense. We're going to work with those words to know a little bit more by turning in your reader's notebook to page 109. Here you're going to circle the word that best completes each sentence. Let's do the first one together. We can go to the play. Is it together or is it boy? Which word best completes the sentence? Right, the word together. So then you would circle the word together because that best completes the sentence. Do the rest of this page and make sure to have your learning adult check your work.